Why is Lithuanian the most similar living language to the ancient Sanskrit? The word for God, for example, in Lithuanian is Devas, quite similar to the Sanskrit word Devas. Fire is Agnes in Lithuanian, Agni in Sanskrit. Horse is Asva and Ashva, and so on and so forth. If you find these similarities striking, well, you are not the only one. Enter William Jones, a Welsh scholar who came to India as a judge in the Calcutta Supreme Court. Enchanted by Indian culture, he became a Sanskritist, learning the language and studying the Vedas, the Manusmritis, and other Indian texts. He argued that the similarities between Sanskrit, Latin, Greek, Persian, and so many other languages was not a mere fluke of nature, but that all of these must have come from a single ancestor language. He called this ancient common ancestor the Proto-Indo-European language. Since both Lithuanian and Sanskrit are members of the Proto-Indo-European language family, the similarities between these languages might not seem as surprising to you as they did earlier. But the question still arises that why would Lithuanian be grammatically closer to Sanskrit than say Hindi, while Hindi directly traces its roots to Sanskrit, while Lithuanian is a distant cousin at best? The answer has to do more with Lithuanian than with Sanskrit. Lithuanian is a part of the Baltic branch of the Proto-Indo-European languages. And there is something unique about the Baltic branch. The Baltic branch is extremely linguistically conservative. So while all languages change over time, not all change at the same rate. When we come to Lithuanian, it's the most conservative language on the most conservative branch of the Indo-European languages, making it closer to the Proto-Indo-European than any other living languages. And this is the reason it is so similar to this day to an ancient Indo-European language like Sanskrit.